Paul is a home expert from HomeServe. Today he'll be taking you through how to change a washer on a mixer tap. Please note, some modern taps use a ceramic disc rather than a washer. Sick of the drip? Thankfully, it's easy to change a washer on your classic mixer tap. First, turn your water supply off. You'll usually find your isolation valve under the kitchen sink. Then drain the tap. Next, you'll need to carefully take the tap covers off. A screwdriver can help. Use an adjustable spanner to loosen the screw to remove the tap unit. You'll find the washers are at the bottom of the tap. Check them for damage by gently removing them with the screwdriver. Then replace them if they're worn. Be sure to get the same size replacements, and you might want to do them all while you're here. Now it's time to put it back together. Remember to turn the water back on. Cheers, Paul. Still need a hand? For more hints and tips, or to get in touch if you need a home expert, visit homeserve.com.